You'll need your assembled Nempnett Thrubwell, the horn packaging, a pair of scissors to trim the rubber pipe, and your small posi-drive screwdriver. Undo the screws from the two Munson rings. Remove the rubber bands from the air horn packaging and slide off the first protective bag, followed by the second bag. You can reuse these if you want, as I have not used the sticky tape seal. The air horn has been painted with metallic brass paint. Whilst it is able to withstand a certain amount of handling, it is susceptible to being scratched off against metal surfaces, so be very gentle when you position the horn against the Munson rings. Gently position the horn in place so that the air connector at its base lines up with the end of the copper reducer into which the rubber pipe is fixed. Also, rotate the horn so the air connector points towards the end of the copper reducer. The rubber pipe will then nicely curve round to it. Now bend the rubber pipe in line with the air horn's air connector and mark how long it needs to be to push over the connector. Cut the rubber pipe to the correct length with a scissors or some other suitable implement. Now carefully wriggle the rubber pipe over the horn's air connector. It will push on given some encouragement. Whilst doing this, be careful the moving horn doesn't scratch against anything. Once the pipe has been pushed on far enough, line up the horn so the rubber pipe is horizontal. Place the smaller Munson ring saddle over the horn and gently put the two screws in. Tighten the top screw first, followed by the bottom screw. If the Munson ring seems too tight, don't fully tighten the bottom screw. Repeat with the larger Munson ring. Now you can finally enjoy the pleasure of having every culinary timing need catered for by your Nempnett Thrubwell. Try it to check the air horn works properly. If it's a little loud, you could always employ the sound deadening properties of a handkerchief positioned within the horn. Congratulations, you have completed the construction of your Nempnett Thrubwell kitchen timer. I hope you've enjoyed building it and have perhaps gained some new interests and ideas. Please let me know how you got on so I can further improve the kit and instructions. Even better still, send me a photograph of your completed machine.